Hey y'all, in today's video I am sharing with you the 7 cold weather essentials that every woman should own. Now a lot of these are practical and majority of you may even have a lot of them in your closet, but may just need a little bit of styling help when it comes to putting them together or how to wear them. So I'm gonna give you tips on that. Or if you're missing some of these items, then I will give you some helpful tips on what to look for when you're shopping for them. All right, let's get into it. The first item is a wool coat. This is going to be the hardest working piece in your winter wardrobe. And it is going to be seen obviously by you every day, but everyone around you as well. And it's going to be covering up all of those cute sweaters and blouses that you buy in the winter time. So you want to make sure that this is an investment piece, a piece that you are going to love. So here are a couple tips on what to look for. First, choose a modern silhouette with stylistic details. You want really clean lines. You want nice buttons. Stay away from those plasticky buttons that just look cheap. This is a piece that you want to look luxe. You want it to look nice because like I said, you're going to be wearing it every single day. Because this is a more investment piece, choose a classic neutral color. Now this could be a navy, a camel, a black, even a gray. Once you have that as a base, then you can choose another coat that has a bold statement color or a really cool pattern. But you want to make sure that you have that classic neutral first. And then the third tip is to pick a looser fit that is going to allow you to wear chunkier or thicker sweaters underneath. I swear the worst thing ever is to have a really cute outfit on and then try to jam it into your coat and you feel like the poor little boy on A Christmas Story who just can't put his arms down. So make sure that you have a looser fit. This blue coat is from Topshop. It is the Brooke long line coat and it is actually 50% off right now. I thought I was gonna be buying it full price for $135 and I was quite pleased when they rang it up for $67. And then I have a camel coat. This one is from Zara. I have had it for a couple years. It is such a staple in my wardrobe. So I will link these coats along with everything else that I shared today down below. The second cold weather essential is a bold, cozy scarf. Something that is guaranteed just to keep you warm and snug when it gets really cold outside. Now you're gonna wanna stock up on different colors and patterns and lengths and just have fun with this piece. But here are a couple tips that I have for you. The first is to find a blanket scarf. One that is wider and can be really versatile in the way that you wear it, whether that is wrapped loosely around your neck and knotted, or you can also try draping it around your shoulders, having it just nice and flat and long around your body, and then secure it with a belt so that it is now acting almost like a cardigan or a sweater versus just your typical scarf. My next tip is to invest in a cashmere scarf in a neutral color. It is going to be so warm and so versatile that you're gonna find yourself reaching for it time and time again. This one is from Walmart, y'all. I cannot believe it. I actually included it in last week's Walmart haul video, and it is just so squishy and soft and supple and warm and am I describing a scarf or a baby? I don't know, but it is so good. Best part, it is $10. And that's not even on sale. That is just the retail price of it. So if you are not yet ready to invest in a cashmere scarf, go to Walmart. Honestly, they have so many scarf options in every color and pattern that you could ever imagine. The third item that all y'all need is something that I am actually modeling right now. And that is a fitted long sleeve shirt. It is just going to be a very easy base piece that is gonna fit nicely under cardigans, sweaters, jackets. One tip is to not just get your staple black and white, but to expand and find brighter, bolder colors and some fun patterns. You can even have them peep out underneath jackets or sweaters. Just like a bright color or pattern will bring an unexpected pop to an outfit. Another tip is to layer them under a sleeveless jumpsuit and have it show on the sleeves. I did a video, I don't know, a couple months ago on 10 different ways how to wear a jumpsuit, and that was definitely one of them. Now, when it comes to this base layer piece, you do not need to spend a lot of money on them. And I actually suggest not spending a lot of money on them. The one that I am wearing is from Madewell. The ones on the rack, I have Target, Walmart, Gap, Zara. They weren't more than $20 or $25. Save your money for an investment piece like a really nice coat or boots. It doesn't need to be spent on these really easy to find base layers. The fourth item is a cozy beanie. They are super functional and they're always stylish. And so don't underestimate the power that a beanie has. They also can add that kind of cool girl nonchalance to any look. When it comes to finding your beanie, stock up on cotton and cashmere options in neutral and bold colors. You're gonna need a couple beanies in your closet in order to mix and match really well with your wardrobe. I would first recommend getting a black and a camel. You're gonna find that you're gonna reach for those and be able to pair them with pretty much everything in your wardrobe. And then if you still have room in the budget, go get that bold pattern. I personally love like a blue or a pink. Those two also kind of work as pseudo neutrals, and you're gonna find that you can still pair them with a lot of other things in your wardrobe. These two are both from H&M. I was standing in the very long holiday line and saw them from afar and kindly asked the lady behind me just to like hold my place so I could run and go grab them. I grabbed both of these and I have since ordered the pink one that is so cute. Anyways, I am digressing. They are $10. They look and feel just like the $150 Acne Studio ones. I am obsessed with them. I have worn them honestly every day this week. If you go check my Instagram, you are gonna see that it is plastered with these beanies. It's actually like a little embarrassing. Last night, we went to this outdoor lights display. It was frigid cold. My toes were freezing. By the end, my mask was wet with condensation. It was kind of gross. But my head and my ears were toasty and warm, and I look cute in it. I mean, honestly, what else do you need in a beanie? It keeps you warm, it keeps you cute. It was $10. Check. The fifth winter essential is also very practical and also very necessary, and that is a versatile pair of leggings. My tip is to grab yourself a high-rise black pair of leggings that are long. You want them to be ankle length. Now, there are a lot out there that fit that description, so it's gonna be really easy to find, but it is a staple in a winter wardrobe. Now, over my leggings, I love to layer sweaters, longer shirts, shackets, sweater dresses over them. Those look so nice. But here's my tip with that. Make sure that whatever you are wearing on top covers your tush. You wanna make sure that your cheeks are just not hanging out. If so, then that sweater or shirt or jacket is too short. Layer up or switch out to something that's gonna be longer. These ones are from Amazon. They are the Daily Ritual brand, which is Amazon's like fashion brand. I think it was another blogger or somebody who recommended these, and they are amazing. They do have a thicker waistband that is a higher rise. They themselves are very thick and stretchy, and they come in tall, regular, and petite. I am almost 5'9". I got the tall, and they are perfect. They are long enough so that they overlap with a boot and don't expose my ankle when it's really cold. So these are great. I also got some $15 ones from Target that I love. Ooh, Zella from Nordstrom has some really good ones. So I'll just go ahead and link everything down below. The sixth item is a loungewear set. Following the year that we have had, if that is not a staple in your wardrobe already, then it should be. And I wanna know what you are wearing because it is such a staple to me right now. It is comfy enough to wear around your home, but it is also versatile and chic enough to be able to dress up and wear out. Maybe even a little lunch date with your husband. Now, a couple tips on dressing up a loungewear set. First, do a little front tuck. Next, throw on a camel coat and brown boots. This is just gonna dress that outfit up and take it from kind of couch casual to more appropriate outside the bedroom or even the home. The next tip is to find a loungewear set in a neutral, solid color. This would be a navy or a black or a camel. This is gonna help that loungewear set double as an intentional outfit. Yes, I know tie-dye has been really popular and it's fun to have it in a bold color, but it's just gonna be a little bit more tricky to disguise this loungewear set and make it look more dressy than honestly it actually is. So if you're going to invest in a piece, find that neutral color. Now, this set that I have here is from Free People. It is the picnic set and it is $128. Keep in mind, you don't have to spend a lot of money for loungewear. Great options come in a wide range of prices. That said, if you are wearing them a lot, then they're gonna become a staple that you may wanna pay up for. And this one is amazing. Free People actually has a lot of really great options, the Haley sweater set being one of those. But stay tuned because I have a full loungewear set roundup coming your way. The 7th winter essential that every woman needs is a pair of warm boots, y'all. It is practical, but it is necessary. And here's a couple tips on finding those boots. The first one is to make sure that the inside is insulated and the outside is weather resistant. Now I'm looking outside right now and it is dumping snow and all I can think about is pickup and what boots I'm gonna wear, and they're gonna be insulated and weather resistant. Next, when you find your pair of boots, pair them with a cute graphic sock underneath, kind of make them pop. You can even layer the graphic sock over your leggings and show them off. Make it part of your outfit and make it intentional. With a good pair of warm boots, you're gonna be able to wear them with everything this season, from skirts to dresses to leggings to jeans. So it's okay if you have to pay up a little bit more for this investment piece, because the cost per wear is gonna be so low at the end of 2 or 3 years, however long you can keep your boots for. These boots are by Linea Paola. They are the flossy faux fur bootie and they are $149. And I got them in this black camo. Oh, I just love them. They have a little hidden wedge, but they are so comfortable and warm to wear. They do run a little narrow, so keep that in mind. That does it for the 7 cold weather essentials that every woman needs. As always, I have linked everything down below that I shared. Now, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go click down below on that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. You guys are the reason that I am here. I love doing these videos and teaching you styling tips and tricks. You can also find me on Instagram at Matheny Style. I share a lot of style advice there, and I have been having a lot of fun with reels, so go check that out. And stick around for my next video. Bye, y'all.